Hi everyone, this is Knowledge Topper, and in this video we will see another very important job description, and that is job description of an Amazon virtual assistant. Basically, this job description of an Amazon virtual assistant, it is not only important from the perspective of employer or a company, but it is also very important from the perspective of employees as well. Because in this job description, we have included many important roles and responsibilities of an Amazon virtual assistant that helps potential candidates to work on important requirement in order to meet the specific requirement of this particular job. So every job description, it starts with an introductory paragraph which is called as a job summary paragraph, and generally, it is a brief paragraph, and it states about a particular job title firstly, for which the particular company is looking to hire its potential candidate. In our scenario, it is for an Amazon virtual assistant. Then in this paragraph, very important key roles and responsibilities are mentioned by the company, as well as some important skills as well in order to find its potential candidate. Basically, this paragraph is a summary of this whole job description, and it includes all the very important and key information about a job of an Amazon virtual assistant. Okay, so as you can see on your screen, I have created this particular job description sample for you guys. Firstly, I will read the job summary paragraph, then you will see the roles and responsibilities section, and at the end we'll also see the requirement section as well. Okay, like if I can read for you guys this particular job summary paragraph. We are looking for an organized and professional Amazon virtual assistant to handle various tasks and activities related to our Amazon business. The Amazon virtual assistant's key responsibilities include research activity, customer support, product listing and optimization, and running ad campaigns. To be successful as a virtual assistant, you must have important necessary skills that is required to perform various tasks associated with the job of an Amazon VA. More importantly, you must have a suitable internet connection, as well as you must possess excellent verbal and written communication skills. So this is our job summary paragraph. After the job summary section, we have the detailed roles and responsibilities section. It includes more detailed roles and responsibilities that must matches with the skills of a potential candidate. And one more important thing, like all these roles and responsibilities are important, and generally, all these are part of every job description of an Amazon virtual assistant. But because of the reason that a lot of companies also have different requirements, so they can include and exclude, this particular roles and responsibilities section with as per their own requirement as well. Like if I can read for you guys all these detailed roles and responsibilities. As an Amazon virtual assistant, your roles and responsibilities include researching items to acquire at wholesale rates, negotiating with suppliers, obtaining the best bargains, and securing samples for products. Researching and presenting the latest trends related to our business domain. Provides customer support by creating message templates, answering customer questions, commenting on reviews, addressing negative feedback, locating past orders, confirming FBA orders, and dealing with refunds and product replacement. Track and double check all listing optimizations, looking at how product rank for specific Amazon keywords to supervising the optimization of listings. Track performance and update product listing rules and regulation. Setting up campaigns using Seller Central tools. Input negative key terms to eliminate unnecessary spending. Monitor analytics to check the performance of campaigns and make appropriate adjustment to ads. Managing orders include FBA inventory, obtaining Amazon barcodes for each unit, downloading shipping labels, monitoring shipments, and checking units received. So all these are the detailed roles and responsibilities for a job of an Amazon virtual assistant. After the detailed roles and responsibilities, we have the requirement, or you can say qualification section. This section includes the education, skills, and sometimes experience requirement that must include in a potential candidate in order to qualify for a job of an Amazon virtual assistant. Like if I can read for you guys all these requirements. As an Amazon virtual assistant, you must complete Amazon VA course from any reputable institution. You must have more than 1 year of experience as an Amazon virtual assistant, proficiency in content writing, excellent verbal and written communication skills, fully computer literate with proficiency in Microsoft Office, highly organized. So all these are the requirements for a job of an Amazon VA. And at the end, our job description ends with a call to action paragraph that states how a potential candidate can apply for a particular job, or in easy words, you can say that how they approach to an HR department to get more information about this particular job of an Amazon virtual assistant. So basically, a medium of contact is written in this section by a company. And finally, our job description is ended here. I hope you liked today's video on a job description of an Amazon virtual assistant. If you like this video, thumbs up. Do appreciate our hard work in creating this particular video and sample for you by subscribing our channel Knowledge Topper, as well as like our Facebook page. And do join our Facebook group as well, where you find a lot of good material, not just related to these topics, but from many other career oriented videos as well. So this is it for this video. Thank you so much everyone. It's time to say bye bye.